Namaste everyone. Welcome to our day 1 5-day sexual energy improvement challenge. Before we begin today's session, I wanted to introduce you to two first most basic and effective limbs or parts of yoga, Yamas and Niyamas. There are 5 Yamas. Those are Ahimsa, non-violence, Satya, truthfulness, Aste, non-stealing, Brahmacharya, continence, or chaotic sex or chaotic thoughts of sex, Aparigraha, greediness or selfishness. Number 2, Niyamas. There are 5 Niyamas as well. Those are Socha, which means cleanliness, Santosa, contentment, Tapas, hard work, Swadhyay, study of oneself, Iswar Pranidhan, surrendering to God or universe. So these are two most basic and important parts or limbs of yoga that allow our life to be either in good position or making us stressful, anxious, and list goes on, because these are ethics of oneself depending on the behavior or the way we conduct our life. So if you somehow following Yamas and Niyamas, which will automatically bring your life onto correct path by non-hurting anyone or anything, whether mentally, emotionally, or physically, being on the path of truthfulness, non-stealing, and being satisfied with what you have, being relaxed about sex, and not being greedy, not try to possess of something that is not yours. Also, if you clean yourself mentally and physically to have positive thoughts, because once we are positive, we conduct with that positivity, and the law of attraction applies. The more positive you are, the more positive things will be attracted to you. So all these two Yamas and Niyamas, if you follow in everything, law of attraction applied. So if you're non-stealing, then nobody steal yours. If you are being positive, then people will be positive to you. If you feel contentment with what you have, then you act with that contentment and you interact with your partner, your friend, your colleagues with that contentment that can be felt by people. And then you will get the similar feeling, similar experience from people. So see where you are following these and where you are missing, because following these two basic parts of yoga will be able to benefit you doing this very course 100%, because this course is about asana, pranayama, pratyahara, and dharana. These are the 4 next parts that we will be practicing in the training ahead. So quickly wrap up. Yamas and Niyamas basically are ethics and discipline of oneself, working on the mind and body. Once your mind and body is cleaned, let's begin with asana, the 3rd limb of yoga, pranayama, the 4th limb of yoga, pratyahara, the 5th limb of yoga, and dharana, concentration, the 6th limb of yoga. So if you are ready, then I hope that you have prepared a yoga mat or a chair if you can't sit with cross-legged, and a pillow. Don't forget to watch the class till the end, because in the end I'm going to talk about what to expect after the class is finished what to do and what not to do. So make sure to stay tuned and connected. Let's get started.